So in class 10, today we are going to see question number 2 from exercise 14.3. Okay, beta? Question number 2 from exercise 14.3 based on the median. Okay? Based on the median of the group data. So as you know, we had already discussed the median of group data. Okay, so what is the formula for median for group data? You know very well. Median is nothing but n by 2 minus cf divided by f into h plus l or l plus this thing. Okay, so this is the median of the data. Okay, group data. So what are the these notation? CF means cumulative frequency. Okay, F is the frequency of the median class. CF is the cumulative frequency preceding the median class. You know, H is the class width and the total number of frequency, that means sum of the frequencies. Clear? So see question number 2. If the median of the following distribution is given by, there is distribution given by question number 2 exercise 14.3. Okay, the median of the following distribution is given by 28.5. Find the values of x and y. So this is the class interval, that means Ci, and this is the frequency. Okay. So see, class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, again 5x 20, 5x 20, 15y, 15y and 5. So this is the frequency distribution. Okay, so what we need to find the values of x and y. We need to find the values of x and y. So median of the data is given as 28.5. What is the median? 28.5. Now you know what is the sum of frequencies? Sum of frequencies is x plus y and the whole sum is 25 plus x plus y. Okay, so the median of the following. Okay, so this is the 25 plus x plus y. M is equals to 28.5. So median is 28.5. That means near to which class interval? Greatest and nearest. First of all, we find the cumulative frequency. Na? CF we need to find CF. M is 28.5. So first of all, we find the cumulative frequency, and this is nothing but what? 5 plus x, 25 plus x, 40 plus x, 40 plus x plus y, and this is 45 plus, and this is 45, no? 45 plus x plus y. Now n by 2. N by 2 means what? 45 plus x plus y divided by 2, that is 22.5 plus x plus y. Okay? By 2. X plus y by 2. Clear hai? 22.5 plus x plus y by, this is n by 2 na? Now see, which one is median class? Okay? So we don't need to see this one x plus y, we just see this 22.5. So 22.5 is nearest to the 25. This is supposed to be median class. Okay? If you suppose this one is also median class, no problem. Then the answer will also come, no problem. Okay? For this particular, you are free to select this or this. Why? Because you don't know the x, y. So which one is supposed, according to that you get the answer. Okay? So 22.5. So this is the median class maybe, because 25 nearest to 22.5. Clear? Okay, now see, L is what? 20 lower limit, and what is here? CF? CF is 5 plus x. F is 25 plus x. CF means cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So this is the preceding number 5 plus x. F is this. H is, H will be 10. Now put the form values. What you will get? X is equals to, median is equal to L plus not sigma n by 2 minus CF divided by F. Okay? This is 28.5. Okay? Median is 28.5. L is 10. Sorry, L is 20. 20 plus n by 2 minus CF. N by 2 is 22.5 plus x plus y by 2 minus 5 plus x. So minus 5 minus x divided by F. That means 25 plus x multiplied by 10. Multiplied by 10, that means this should be multiplied by 10. So first, from this particular equation you will get the equation in x and y, and another equation is sum of frequencies are 60. That means 60 is equal to 45 plus x plus y. So x plus y is what? 15. So x plus y, that means 15. Okay? You just see this particular sum of frequencies is 60. It is given in the book. So 45 plus x plus y, this is 60. So x plus y is 15. So put the value of x plus y by 2 here. This is 7.5. So this is simply 30. And if you see here n by 2, so put no need to put this. Here you directly put 30 minus 5 minus x. क्यों डा? सिंपल हो जाएगा. 30 minus 5 minus x upon 25 plus x multiplied by 10. अब इसको हम इधर लिख रहे हैं, ठीक है? कहाँ यहाँ आ जाए, कहीं ये टेबल मिटा दे, टेबल की जरूरत नहीं है. So see, this one is nothing but, get the value of x, 28.5. This is nothing but 20. This is 25 minus x. Okay? This is 25 minus, and this is 20 plus 25 minus x divided by 25 plus x. See this one. Okay, and into 10. So this is nothing but 20 into 25 plus x. Only calculation is there. Plus 25. This is 250 minus 10x. And divided by 25 plus x. And this is nothing but 28.5. Huh? So 28.5. This is again 254. 52 is 500 plus 20x plus 250 minus 10x divided by 25 plus x. So this is 28.5. 750 minus 10x divided by 25 plus x. Okay, so this you multiply here. 28.5 into 25 plus x. This is equals to 750 minus 10x. Calculation thoda strong hai beta. Okay, so this is 28.5 into 25. How much? You know, 25 5 ka 125. 12 is the, है ना? कितना है बेटा? 712.5. Very good. Plus 28.5x. Okay, minus plus 10x. क्यों बेटा? And this is 750. So if you solve this one, you will get 28.5x. Sorry, 28.5, and this one how much? 38.5 now. 38.5x is equals to 750 minus 712.5. And this one is 38.5x. This is equal to 38.5 only. So x will be, and y is 14. Answer नहीं है बेटा? Okay, see, corrected. This one is 20. So no problem. Only you have to write it as a 20. This is 20. So 10 to the 20. Okay. No need to calculate this one. It's so simple. बेटा जब वैल्यूज गलत बता दोगे तो कैसे आएगा? 20. So this is 28.5 is equals to 20 plus 25 minus x and divided by 2. So this is 2. This one is 40 plus 25 minus x divided by 2. This is 28.5. This is 28.5 into 2. 40 plus 25, 65 minus x. So x is equal to 65 minus 57. So what it is? 8. And since x plus y is equals to 15, so x is equals to 8 plus y. This is 15. So y will be 7. Okay. So this is the value of x and y. So note it down.